Hello, this is a quick video on container gardening and different options for people that live in small spaces. Please enjoy. This is a hybrid hydroponics system. We have a water reservoir right here, and it has cycles, and in each pot you put soil. Under each pot there is a wick, and the water reservoir cycles every couple of days, brings the water to the top and wets the wicks. You plant your seeds inside each pot and the vegetables grow. This is also a light, a seedling light. This is a hybrid hydroponic system, as you can see. This is another small hydroponic system called an Aerogarden. It's affordable. I have chives, mint, oregano, and thyme, and marjoram, and all type of things growing in it. It sits on the tabletop. It works. I've grown lettuce in it, and it's very affordable. This one is by North Eden. It's called an Aerogarden, and it's a hydroponic system. You can grow all types of things in containers. As you can see here, I am growing Yukon potatoes in containers and red, white, and blue potatoes in containers. Right here I'm growing catmint. Mint is a very invasive plant, so it's good to put them in a container. As you can see here, I'm growing strawberries in a strawberry tower. I actually have one strawberry right here. These containers are removable. I can split them up and move them as I please. Right here I am growing English thyme in a container and Arshel orange mint. These are sweet potato slips growing in a container. This is an ultra dwarf honey crisp apple tree growing in a container. You can put this on a patio or a balcony and it won't get that big. It'll fit. It's convenient. Put a tree in a container. Here are my 2-year-old blueberries growing in a container. As you can see, they're pollinated. You can even grow blueberries in a container. This is a dwarf tart kumquat tree growing in a container. Lastly, this is a tiny Tim variety of tomato plant growing in a container. I grew this in my shed and now it's outside in a container. As you can see, I have a little tomato right here and it's doing just fine. I'm blessed to have a yard that I can have a garden to grow in. However, I do utilize containers for certain type of vegetables, root vegetables, potatoes, and container gardening is a valuable way for a person that lives in a small space to be able to grow food, healthy, nutritious food. That is the end of the video on container gardening.